I'm back to this field with my dog where I got chased by cows last time. Try and look for cows, and maybe there'll be cows in some other fields, maybe they won't, but yeah, still gonna go in there regardless. But, taking the lead off my dog. Right, okay. Here's the field. Don't see any signs of cows. It's a sunny day now, and so cows are probably not in any of these fields, but if there are no cows, so I guess it's just gonna be a short walk with my dog. Yeah. Jess, do you think there are any cows in the next field? Let's find out. It's hot as hell today. Jesus. Come on, Jess, into the next field. Yes, there are often cows in this field as often as that one. I don't think this field has ever been in the video. But yeah. Actually, there is a hidden lake, if you call it, in the area, like a quarry that's now a lake. It's extremely deep and probably dangerous for dogs to go to. So we'll put her back on the lead. But yeah. At the end of the field, once I turned the corner and cows were right there. Yeah. In the speed, yeah. Oh god. Come on, Jess. Right, cool. Just down there, the field, I mean the quarry lake is. I'm pretty sure most people in this village haven't seen it before. But yeah, it's a lake, very deep, probably like 300-foot drop. I wonder if that's something that lurks around these fields at night. The sun's right there, I think. I don't want to look directly at it because it's the middle of the day. When it's shining bright as ever. And I literally burn. Like some of this grass is dying, it's because it's so hot. In some areas, the grass is just as hard as concrete. It's been like this non-stop for a month now. Yeah. I will indeed show you. Corey, let me just get there quick. Okay, so at the bottom of the field there's so many like rabbit holes. It's not like very steep as well, so it's not only hard to get up, it's hard to get down as well. Hey, look, here's the danger of deep water. My dog's lead is tied to there, so she'll be safe. Well, I should get this quarry. Right. There's just literally right there. Oh god. We weren't stinging nettles last time I was here. Shit. Okay, right, so I finally made my way over that barbed wire. And stinging nettles, of course. Right here. The moment of truth. It's actually up here. You can see there's a massive drop already. Look at that. Pretty sure most people in the village don't know about this. There's a very deep lake below a very deep cliff. And yeah. Hi guys, thanks for watching. And yeah.